Hello everyone, Sachin Tali here, your spoken English trainer. So, what are we gonna do here is we will learn some more words. Okay, welcome to the vocabulary session. So, the very first word in this list is my finger is actually okay. Let me put it here. I guess it would be better if I put it here, right? So, the very first word is adventure in this list. ADVENTURE, adventure. Adventure is a noun. An adventure is a fun or exciting thing that you do. So you do something which is exciting and it's fun. So that is called adventure. So example is riding in the rough water was an adventure, right? Or even sitting in the giant wheel is an adventure. So anything which is fun and exciting, that would be referred to as, or that would be called as adventure. Now the next word is approach. APPROACH. Okay, approach is a verb. So second form of approach is approached, and third form is again approached. So approach, approached, approached. To approach something means to move close to it. किसी चीज के close जाना, that is called approach. For example, the boy approached his school. Boy approached his school. जो लड़का है वो अपने स्कूल के क्लोज गया, लाइक स्कूल के पास गया, दैट इज. और वी इवन से एग्जाम्स आर अप्रोचिंग, मतलब एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं, क्लोज आ रहे हैं, नज़दीक आ रहे हैं, दैट इज. So that is approach. The next word is carefully. CAREFULLY. Carefully is an adverb. Like it shows like how you do something, the manner in which you do something, right? So carefully means with great attention, especially to detail or safety. बड़े सावधानी से, सावधानी पूर्वक, that is carefully. The baby carefully climbed down the stairs. Okay, or I checked the paper carefully. Okay, I saw that place carefully. So carefully means basically with great attention, especially to detail or safety. So that is carefully. Next word is chemical. You can see this on your screen. CHEMICAL. Did I say chemically? I don't know. Chemical it is. Okay, CHEMICAL. Chemical. Now chemical is a noun, and it is a name of something, right? A chemical is something that scientists use in chemistry. So chemistry में scientists जो use करते हैं, that is chemical. इसको हम कह सकते हैं रसायन, right? So the scientist mix the chemicals, or while handling the chemicals we all should be careful. I saw a lot of chemicals were kept in the laboratory. So these are the examples of the word chemical, right? Spelling is CHEMICAL. So basically this is for the beginners. Okay, this vocabulary is for beginners, those who don't know the words. Very simple words are being taught here. Now the next word is create. CREATE. So let me just zoom it. CREATE. Create. Create is a verb. So create, created, created. ING form of create would be creating, and ES is creates, right? Now what does the word create mean? To create means to make something new. कुछ नया बनाना, that is called create. For example, she created an igloo from blocks of snow. What did she create? What did she create? Yeah, she created an igloo from what? From blocks of snow. Or I created that greeting card for my mom. Okay, or I want to create something new. Okay, have you created anything? And from create only there is a word called creativity, right? Very good. Let's move to the next word, and the next word is evil. 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 Now evil is an adjective. Okay, means it describes something, some noun. Now let me just take it here. Evil describes something, or evil describes something or someone bad or cruel, not good. मतलब we can say बुरा, या we can even say दुष्ट, right? वाइट, मराठी में कहते हैं वाइट, बुरा. So evil describes something or someone bad or cruel, not good. For example, the evil figure scared us all. वो जो बुरा या वो जो फिगर है उसने हम सबको डराया. The evil figure scared us all. Victory of good over evil. हम कहते कि अच्छाई की बुराई पर विजय. So victory of good over evil. So evil मतलब बुरा, EVIL, white. Next word is experiment, EXPERIMENT, experiment. Now experiment is a noun. So an experiment is a test that you do to see what will happen. You do something, आप कुछ करके देखते हैं, प्रयोग कहते हैं इसे, प्रयोग. So you do to see what will happen, that is called experiment. So an experiment is a test that you do to see what will happen. The student did an experiment in science class. What did the students do in the science class? Come on, what did the students do while watching video? Come on, give me the answer. What did the students do? Yup, the students did an experiment. And where did they do the experiment? In the science class. So this was experiment, right? Next word is, everyone, kill, KILL. Kill is a verb. So kill, killed, killed, and ing would be killing, and es form is kills, right? To kill someone or something is to make them die. Kill मतलब मारना, to make someone die, that is killing. So I killed the fly with a fly swatter, right? What did I kill? Come on, what did I kill? I killed the fly. Who killed the fly? Yep, I did it, right? Next word is laboratory, LABORATORY, and it's a noun. A laboratory is a room where scientists works. A laboratory is a room where a scientist works. प्रयोगशाला हम कहते हैं इसे, right? My mother works in a laboratory, or I want to go to the laboratory. For performing an experiment, we all will go to a laboratory. Next word, everyone, is laugh, LAUGH, laugh. Now laugh is a noun, okay? Laugh is the sound made when someone is happy or a funny thing occurs. तो जब भी कोई बहुत खुश होता है तब वो हंसता है, या बेसिकली कोई फनी चीज़ होती है तो that sound we make, तो हंसी कह सकते हैं हम इसे, ओके? Laugh is the sound made when someone is happy or funny thing occurs. The sound of their laugh filled the room. उनके हंसी की आवाज़ ने या ठहाकों ने रूम को भर दिया. So these are the 10 words. Now in the next video I'll be teaching you more 10 words. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, if you are new and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly do that. Subscribe to the channel because I have been uploading videos every day. If you want to learn English and the vocabulary and the idioms and the grammar, I'm gonna upload a lot of stuff here, right? So I want you all to just subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.